Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing well. So basically what's going to be happening today is we're going to Great Zimbabwe, and yeah, so this is my young morning routine in this cheap apartment, 1-star obvious. And anyways, guys, let me see what I can do. Let me bed my bed, no gazer, and I just realized when I can't towel the sipo. So now if I go to the shops and get a towel, a new towel, and then what do you call it, sipo also. So we did WhatsApp was that I say sipo I'm going to take a sipo those in month like a news one sipo even 2 months, but I didn't plan. Let me see what I can do, guys. I think I need to go back to gym. The parent, what do you think? Tell me down in the comment section. So guys, that's what's happening today, and let me just make this room nicely. There's no one who's gonna come here, obvious, but at least it should look nice. You understand? And that's the bed over there. Maybe I'm going to bed now and shower and stuff, is it? But I miss my room for you. Like, anyways, let me put my cam here and see what's popping. All right. Okay. So I guess I'm done cleaning the room, and then what's gonna happen now is like now I'm going to bath. But before I bath, I don't have like some soap and stuff, so yeah, let's go and get some soaps, some soap for my shops, and I will have my crocs on. I thought maybe I'm not gonna need it. Maybe I thought maybe I'm gonna need my morning shoes in my apartment, my accommodation, the towel. I thought maybe I'm gonna have Remo. I don't have. Maybe I'm just gonna use t-shirt. Compromising. Anyways, guys, now let's go and get what do you call it? Sipo. My shop's so cool. And but guys, what if I buy this in? Do you think I would die? Let's just buy them by my boss. Before I buy my shop, so I get the scene and those so but open I'm town and then I will just grab Sipo and stuff. For now. For now get with that. Let's go. So yes, I'm sure you will wonder why do this. I do this so that I won't put my buds direct on waiting on. And this and that boots on a pot. And this kuchapukirwa nemvura mashuro ndike chikuwetera kuti vanhu biwane utsanana, be healthy. So yes, I'm gonna use this toilet seat, but handitadzi kuita zvinhu izvi kana shaza public toilet. So yeah, so yeah guys, let's prepare to get bath and stuff. Let's go, let's get it. So you guys are on the bills of this, as you can see. So yeah, let's go and change it. Then I do not say farm. Let's go, let's get it. So you guys, I always tell you, Arumi, I don't know kana pane murume anoona video rangu, mavideo zangu asingateereri. Hakwa. Ngudi nyanga dzamakombo. Wambo garo kadenzi na windi akabatira soto. I bet guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So make sure you check out the next vlog. The next vlog I'm gonna be showing you Great Zimbabwe. You understand? And yeah, this is the OTTD. Let me place my camera here. Okay. T-shirt, a jean, and then brown kicks. Anyways, thank you guys for watching to the end. Let's go. Great Zimbabwe. So make sure you check out the next vlog. That's the end of Kavlog Kanaga. Kemakse, you understand? Thank you. Hey yo, what's good YouTube? So baby, this is Adasko. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time, please make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? So you guys, you all know that we out here, we chilling in Masvingo, and we came here to make content. Understand? So what's gonna be happening to this video is I'm gonna be asking random girls to rate my outfit. I'm gonna ask them also to rate me out of a 10 or out of a 20 or whatever. Understand? And I'm gonna be asking them again if they will smash or pass me. You understand? So if it's the first time, please make sure you like, comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Let's go, baby. So as you can see, guys, we currently walking in Hillside, Masvingo. That's the location, that's the spot, and we're kind of looking for some nice hands, some nice sugar buns, some nice mania, and you understand? And yeah, and then I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to see them. And I'm just gonna be asking random questions. If I see a nice honey, a nice girl, I'm just gonna ask them, am I your type? Something, yeah, I understand. So we do anything for content, we do anything for the content, we do anything for the people. You understand? So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more. Let's go. Hey guys, we've been working here for almost like 2 hours now, and there's no anybody that I'm going. Huh? Guys, there's no berries here. There's no berries in Masvingo. But I'm sure we're gonna find one. Takasha, we're going for mothers. Takasha, my mother, I'm coming for you. So if you see me, run Murife Bozi. But it's overloaded. I'm glowing like glow Dino. Now with a glow. Anyways, guys, so crazy because I'm not my baby and rumbo my baby telewuta ngomota isina engine it no imusa ngomara malo it's no there. Anyways, guys, get on to one of my babies. Stay tuned. Guys, as you can see, we still currently in Masvingo. We're at a place called Majangi, and yeah, we're still waiting for the bodies, and there's no anybody that I'm seeing. Guys, it's crazy. Like Masvingo is so dry and it's so empty. Anyways, we're still out here, we're chilling, and I think maybe later on we're gonna go and look for Sadza or something else. But yeah, we're still chilling here and we're looking for bodies. There's no anybody. They are nowhere to be found. But anyways, guys, you know, if I get them, I'm gonna show you. So make sure you stay tuned because I'm gonna be showing you bodies. Pop. So guys, currently we're just looking for pap or sadza for 2 minutes while we're waiting for some buddies, because some buddies are taking long to come, and then yeah. So for now, let me eat while I'm waiting for the buddies. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, raw ya gango. I was expecting to make Masvingo. Tastes nice. So guys, what's going on? What's good with you? It's your boy Praise, and it's another day, another dollar. As you can see, we currently still are in Masvingo. We currently still in Masvingo. In same feet, Zulu. As you all know, it was time. There's no need to change. And guys, basically what's going to happen today? Today, this is my last day in Masvingo, and I've been here for a couple of days. Let me just say from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and today is Monday. So today I'm leaving and I'm going back to Harare. And guys, I shot a lot of content for you guys. Like when I'm saying a lot, I mean a lot, guys. I shot this video. I shot video from Harare to Masvingo. I shot video inside In Zimbabwe. I think that video is gonna take long because it really needs like a lot of edits. So you guys make sure you stay tuned. Check by that video. I'm going to In Zimbabwe, showing you all the ruins, showing you everything. There's gold there. There's everything that you can need to see. And then I also shot a video inside Masvingo where I was flexing the Magito. You see drinking, chilling, driving around the Masvingo. Everything about the ghetto content, man. And I shot also I went to a one-star restaurant here in Masvingo. I shot everything, the service, the food, everything Masvingo. That video. And also I shot video Kuchitima, the new Musika, which is located here in Masvingo. That was the video and today I'm looking forward to shoot I don't know, man. Maybe after I go to a quad biking place, Nyana, or maybe I don't know, man. But today I have to shoot another video before leaving here. And also tell me down in the comment section if you want me to shoot a video from Masvingo to Harare. So guys, that's what was happening here in Masvingo. I think you all asked I was not consistent. I was not dropping, I was not posting. It's because I was enjoying this young vacation, Nyana, and I didn't want to waste or spend much of my time editing this little shooter content. Since my days are limited, my days are numbered. This way, my dear. So, guys, make sure you stay tuned. You want the video to the end. You like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. So, the last video, as you all know, as you all saw, in the last video, we're looking for some body, Nyana, but we didn't find any of the bodies here in Masvingo. As you can see, the streets are dry. There's no one, as you can see. So what's going to be happening today is we're going to go to the shops and I want to grab some sadza. The way I love sadza, you know, guys. I just want to grab something to eat. And then I wanted to go to pool. I think that was my last clip study, but I wanted to go to pool, but unfortunately the weather is not allowing me to go to details also. So yeah, after that, then I will see what's happening, what's popping, and then which is which. So that's what's gonna be happening in today's video. And there's no much gonna be happening. And then I'll end this video. Probably in the other video I do show the Nairobi. You watch it again. So guys, let's go. So guys, as we go you can see this is how Masvingo looks like. I mean, no suburb. Kaka ghetto Pro Max. So can I ghetto light or something? Ghetto light. Ghetto Pro Max. I don't know. You're gonna see the next video. So kana ghetto light ndo ana glinora vekunoka ana greenora achitungisa na nokadeso, and then mana machipisa na ifirids, as you can see. And then kunonzi ku hillside, you understand. and zvinoshambisa nje tutone maroads akatonaka nei and there's electricity. It's cool, it's quiet, it's clean. It's very courteous and very demure. Is it demure? Demure. It's very courteous and demure. But I guess as you can see, the streets are so clean, nice houses and stuff. Everything about the city is clean. So I don't see Anna ne rusha ratenchiona kunonzi kutsikidzo. And then as you can see, they got like a nice view, everything. It's giving Cape Town light, as you can see. So this one, I don't know if it's a school or a church or something. It's a crash. Oh, so you guys, it's a crash, and then we finna go down there to watch my shops go. So make sure you stay tuned. You watch the video and you like, comment, you share, and you sub. Thank you. So you guys, that's my shops mentioned up, as you can see, and I finna go down there and look for stars and don't know one. I was like, I'm so fucking hungry. And guys, that's the last day in Masvingo. Probably using this vlog today. I think it's 12 today. No, I'm gonna vlog with. And yeah, just know that I'm promising my pira. Yeah, let's go and get it. So guys, I think it's 2 in the morning, I guess. It's too early in the morning, and I have to look for something to eat so long because and the way I'm so hungry is like crazy. So yeah, I don't know, man. Let me go and check with you. What can I buy? Because like I'm super hungry, like so hungry. Let me check with you. Peace out. I got this for 2 years. Like I got this for 2 years, right? And the crazy part is in the share the so first I'm gonna phone here and wait guys, we're going for quad bikings or gun shooting. Make sure you check out my next vlog. And phone ragati yo satenge saza shanto saza ro because nangofunga zvongotenga machine ingo survive, and then yeah. So you guys, now I'm going to these things so long, and then gonna face angwa just buy my streets kunotenga sadza. So make sure you stay tuned. You watch the video today, and you like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You understand, for more and more content. So yeah, let's get it and check out what's popping. And I'm gonna be seeing my G soon. So now guys, I'm going back to the accommodation to meet on face song. So let me just end the vlog here. Thank you for watching the vlog to the end. If it's the first time, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? That's what's happening here in Masvingo, and that's the reason why I came here in Masvingo. You understand? So make sure you stay tuned. You watch the video to the end. You like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? I'm in the streets of Masvingo. A ghetto light, and I'm gonna eat this so long while we're waiting to go to gun shooting. That's my last day in Masvingo, and then probably around Muscat I'm gonna go back Kumba Kwarari. So make sure you stay tuned.